Hey guys! In today's video, I'll be reviewing the top 8 best electric brooms. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is Dyson V11 Electric Broom Plus Vacuum. Dyson is the true gold standard for vacuum cleaners. Nothing cleans quite like a Dyson, and the brand's newest model, the Outsize Absolute Plus Vacuum, is no exception. This electric broom has 3 modes: ECO, Auto, and Boost. It can run in ECO mode for up to 120 minutes, and it comes with an extra battery and charger. So those who prefer to clean most of their homes in Boost mode will still be covered. Because the dust bin has a generous capacity of 0.5 gallon, there's no need to stop and empty it. While this model is one of the most expensive on the market, Dyson makes it worth the price by including a plethora of accessories for handheld use, such as a crevice tool, hair screw tool, combination tool, stubborn dirt brush, mini soft dusting brush, and wand clip. The Outsize Absolute Plus Vacuum also comes with 2 cleaning heads. The Laser Slim Fluffy cleaning head is capable of picking up microscopic dust on hard flooring. The High Torque XL cleaning head works on all surfaces, including carpeting. Number 7 in my list is Hoover One Power Hepa Plus Electric Broom. The Hoover One Power Hepa cordless bagged upright vacuum is ideal for cleaning many homes, but is a particularly smart choice for allergy and asthma sufferers. The Hepa filter captures 99.9% of dust, debris, and dirt. A sealed bag also prevents accidental exposure to dust and allergens during the cleaning process, which can sometimes happen when emptying a dirt cup. This vacuum cleans all types of flooring, whether it's carpet, hardwood, or tile. Just switch the mode with the click of a button. The bright LED headlights make it easy to see even the smallest bits of debris. The large 13-inch cleaning head makes cleaning the whole house easy and fast, although it may be too large to fit into smaller or tight areas such as between the toilet and the wall. Number 6 in my list is Eureka RapidClean Pro Electric Broom. Here's a cordless electric broom meant for everyday living. Weighing just over 5 pounds, it runs without fading for up to 40 minutes, cleaning all flooring types from hardwood to low-pile rugs. For increased suction on carpets, use the button on the handle to switch to max power. The broom features LED headlights so users can target debris, even in dark areas under tables and furniture. Better yet, the low-profile head makes it easy to access hard-to-reach places, including under beds and nightstands. The electric broom's cyclone filtration system traps dirt and dust, leaving room air cleaner after use. When life momentarily interrupts cleaning, use the built-in rest nook to securely position the electric broom against a counter, sofa, or table. For areas that benefit from a hand vacuum, Eureka's electric broom converts to a handheld model and provides a crevice tool and a brush attachment for cleaning other areas of the home. When the mess is gone, simply plug the electric broom into the wall outlet to charge. Number 5 in my list is Bissell Easy Sweep Electric Broom. Well, this is not an electric broom, but a decent non-electric carpet and floor sweeper with a host of unique features. We have added this one at our list for its affordable price and excellent tech specs. What makes this product a unique choice is its multi-surface cleaning functionality, including area rugs, low carpet, and hard floors. Moreover, its budget-friendly price tag makes it an affordable option for everyone. With a weight of just 2.55 pounds, the sweeper allows you to easily clean your entire house without straining your arms. Next is its ergonomic handle that is built in such a way allowing you to hold it easily for a longer duration. It is ultimately constructed with the high-quality stainless steel and PPE material that makes the product highly durable. Number 4 in my list is Rubbermaid FG 421,288 BLA Electric Broom. Rubbermaid FG 421,288 BLA is a high-end commercial-grade electric broom perfect for cleaning both hardwood floors and carpets not only at home, but also in commercial spaces. Utilizing galvanized steel and tough ABS plastic, this mechanical sweeper is a very durable and high-quality unit. Not just that, a host of unique features make it an outstanding purchase in every manner. The simple and lightweight design of this product makes it easy to clean multiple surfaces quickly, while the soft handle grips offer a comfortable cleaning experience. This mechanical broom comes with soft rubber wheels and a single brush that glides smoothly over surfaces and picks up dirt, dust, and debris effectively. Its manual pull and push action ensure easy operation. There is no need to bend over as the telescoping handle allows ease of usage in the standing position. Another best feature is its low-profile design that provides easy access around and under furniture for perfect cleanup. It has a 6 inches wide sweep path that provides efficient and fast cleaning on large floor spaces. Plus, the front and rear bumper protect your furniture and walls from getting damaged. Number 3 in my list is Bissell 28806 Perfect Electric Broom. The Bissell 28806 Perfect Sweep Turbo is the best electric broom for pet hair that quickly and conveniently removes pet hair from all types of surfaces. What's more is its easy-to-use design, best cleaning performance, and quick cleaning time. Let's talk more about its decent features. This is a cordless and lightweight model that can pick up a wide variety of debris, including pet hair and crumbs from all types of floor surfaces, including carpets, area rugs, and hard floors. It is equipped with a rechargeable nickel-cadmium battery that, once fully charged, offers you a cleaning time of 60 minutes. The model comes with 3 brushes, a rotating brush for picking up both large and small dirt particles, and 2 side brushes for cleaning edges, corners, and alongside the baseboards and walls. Number 2 in my list is Black Puss Decker Floor Electric Broom. Next on the lineup, we have a model from the most trusted name, Black & Decker. If you are looking for a truly great electric broom for cleaning different types of flooring, from hardwood, vinyl, laminates, tiles, to carpet, you can blindly rely on this unit. Easier than a broom and dustpan, this powered floor sweeper will give you the best cleaning experience. This floor sweeper features a sleek, lightweight, and easy-to-maneuver design allowing single-handed use only. No need to deal with the messy cords as this cordless electric broom never slows you down while tidying floors. Its swiveling head coupled with the lightweight design makes this sweeper easy to maneuver around, under, and behind furniture. The model is featured with a lithium-ion battery, so you are ready to go for instant cleanup whenever you want. Moreover, the battery offers you a runtime of 50 minutes that we think is decent enough for full house cleaning without leaving any mess behind. Another convenience feature includes the built-in LED that shows you the battery status in one glance. Number 1 in my list is Karcher KB5 Lightweight Electric Broom. Karcher is one of the renowned names and global leaders in cleaning technologies. So we have this model from Karcher as our overall best pick, not just for the brand name only, but for its innovative and superior features to give you the best-in-class cleaning experience. The model looks stunning in a yellow and black color combination. Plus, the lightweight design allows easy maneuvering and portability. This cordless sweeper runs on a lithium-ion battery with a runtime of 30 minutes on hard floors and 20 minutes on the carpet, so you can get uninterrupted room-to-room cleaning. The telescopic handle with flexible double joint allows the broom to reach easily under furniture, edges, and corners, as well as cleaning stairs. The best is its universal brush that can tackle everything from long hair to breadcrumbs. Moreover, the brush is easily removable to clean the stuck pet hair or other stuff from it. Its automatic start system ensures complete peace of mind during operation. You just need to tilt the handle back to start power on the sweeper. With a large capacity dust tray of 370 milliliter, the Model KB5 is pretty good enough to capture fine dirt and dust, as well as larger items and pet hair. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.